If you missed part 1, check it out on our page. Meanwhile, here's part 2 of insider tips when visiting London. Keep an eye out for local events and festivals happening during your stay. From cultural celebrations to food festivals and live performances, there is always something exciting happening in London. Check local event listings or ask locals for recommendations. Safety is key. Stay vigilant, especially in crowded tourist areas. Keep your valuables secure and use reputable transportation services and avoid unlicensed street vendors. London weather can be unpredictable, so make sure to dress in layers and carry an umbrella or raincoat. Have indoor attractions and activities as backup plans in case of bad weather. Explore London's diverse neighborhoods. Each area has its own unique charm. Discover the trendy streets of Shoreditch or the historic landmarks of Greenwich. Understanding local etiquette and customs can make your visit smoother. Queue politely, observe traffic rules, and tip appropriately in restaurants and bars. With these insider tips, you'll be able to make the most of your time in London and experience the city like a true local. Enjoy your adventure!